Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 5. Students, open your books, page number 12. Today we are going to do question number 3, part 1 and 2. Question 3, part 1. What classification group do the following belong to? Frogs, turtles and rabbit. In this question you can write that which classification group belongs to frog, turtles and rabbit. These animals belongs to which group? Second is, give one feature that insects, crabs, spiders and centipede have in common. You can tell me that which feature is common in insects, crabs, spiders and centipede. Now open your notebook. We will attempt these two questions in notebook. First of all, write day. Day is Friday. Write date. Date is 17 July 2020. Question number 3, part 1st. What classification group do the following belong to? What classification group do the following belong to? You can make a table like this. First of all, write animals and names of that animals: frogs, turtles, rabbit. Write here classification group. Now frog belong to which group? It belong to amphibians. Amphibians are those animals which live on land as well as in water. When they live in water, they use gills for breathing, and when they live on land, they use lungs for breathing. Second is turtles. Turtles belongs to reptiles. Reptiles. Third one is rabbits. Rabbits belong to mammals. Mammals are those animals which can give birth to the young ones. For example, rabbit, horse, cow. These are examples of mammals. But rabbit comes in mammals group. Next question is, give one feature that insects, crabs, spiders and centipede have in common. Now which feature is common among these invertebrates? So main thing which is common is these all belongs to invertebrates. These all belongs to class invertebrates, kingdom invertebrates. Now in invertebrates they belongs to arthropods. Write the answer. The feature that is common in crabs, insects, spiders and centipedes is that they belong to class invertebrates. In bracket you can also write arthropods. Arthropods. Again I repeat the answer. The feature that is common in crabs, insects, spiders and centipedes is that they belong to class invertebrates. In bracket you can write arthropods. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Have a nice day.